Guys, the CRXs are here finally. Took about a week, but they're finally here, guys. Oh my goodness. Damn. Can you imagine? Can you guys imagine? EF, CRX type. We finally get some nice weather outside. So today I will be doing some work. I got the two CRXs, all dusty, dirty. They came from 40 hours away, guys. So obviously you can see there's a lot of snow and salt all over them. So hopefully my boy comes soon with the power wash and we will get to cleaning these guys. They're really dirty. So they are both right-hand drive shells, guys. They both don't have motors inside. So I'm gonna show you guys some more on that, but for today's video we're finally getting to it. So that's JDM headlight there, and we're finally gonna remove this front end, see how much we can get done today. Hopefully by the end of this video the JDM front end will be on. Alright guys, so let me start getting to work. My friend's not here yet, so I'm gonna put the camera on the charge and start taking off the headlights, and let's see how far I can get. Alright guys, little update. Got all the lights off, didn't take too long at all. So I'm just working on the bottom bolts for the bumper, and then these bolts inside there, and should be getting ready to drop the bumper really soon, guys. Okay guys, sorry I didn't take you guys along the way, but bumper's off, filler's off, headlights are off. Those are USDM, and I'm just working on test fitting the JDM headlight. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this for a long time, guys. Hopefully tomorrow, or sorry, hopefully today we get it all sorted. I'm gonna wire up the headlights soon, test that, make sure they're working before I bolt everything down, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright guys. Alright guys, so USDM headlights for the EF, they have two connectors like that, so it's 4 wires in total. But for the JDM headlights, it's just 3 wires. So what you're going to do is these 2 black wires, they're both grounds, so you attach that to your one ground, and then the other two wires, you just match that up. I just confirmed on this side that it is working with the regular headlights and the high beams. So I'll wire it all up, guys, and then I'll show you how it looks right after. Some backyard home garage.
Yeah, you can just melt the solder on it. It's fine if it drips because it goes.
That's the smallest one. Oh man. Alright, go. Turn them on. Alright, give me high beam, fam. Yes, sir. Let go of the high beam. Or take the high beam off. Alright, fuck it. Yeah, so Anto just polished out the headlight. As you can see, that one's unpolished, and he just polished that one up. Day and night difference. I'm so excited, guys. I've been actually waiting since before I got the EF to put a JDM front end on. Okay, guys, we're just slowly chipping away at it. It's a nice day outside. We're gonna wash these bad boys after. Got the power wash. I wish you brought your Civic. Where's your Civic, man?
These plugs are out.
Damn, bro.
Test pipe off.
That's crazy difference. So all 4 bolts are installed. These headlights are in great condition. No tabs are broken. So that's 2 at the top. This one, and there's one behind there, just like on that side. These headlights are amazing shape. I have some other headlights in there. They're not the greatest shape. So I'm pretty happy I have these ones on, man. And Anto just got the hood open on this CRX, so we'll be tossing on this hood onto this very shortly. Alright, guys. Action! Alright, guys, so my boy actually left and I had to do this on my own. So we actually had the filler installed, but then we realized we had to polish the light again. So we took that off, and after a lot of adjusting, I do have it to a point where I do like the fitment. Have to see how the bumper and the hood meets together. But overall, guys, I'm so friggin' happy. I could just drive it like this. I don't even care, man. Yeah, guys, let me keep chipping away. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is the side markers. These guys there. And then I'll probably wait for my buddy to get back to start on the bumper. And that should be it. And then I'll put the hood on, and I'll show you guys the hood that I'm going to put on, which is on the CRX. I'm going to be putting that on for now. There is an ugly spot in the middle there. I guess it's cracked and they tried to repair it, but it will bother me, but it's better than using this JDM hood, which is all like faded and stuff like that. We'll see how's it goes, guys. How's it goes. Oh man, so excited, bro. Okay, guys, so she's pretty much all buttoned up there. So I was looking for a YouTube video on how to do this myself, and I really didn't find anyone that had a video of them installing their JDM front end. So I hope this helped you guys out. I am still using my USDM fenders, guys, so everything else is JDM except for the USDM fenders still work. So let's see if I can get the bumper on, and then lastly we'll do the hood after that. Guys, the bumper's on. It was so hard to get it on. Take off the music phone. Guys, so it's finally on. It took so long to get the bumper on. It's pretty hard to line up. Unfortunately, my grill was cut when I got the bumper. I do need a charge speed style lip ASAP, but also needed to get it painted. Went from that fresh green paint, well, that's original paint, to looking like that. But we'll see once it's done how it looks. Okay guys, the hood's on. Haven't adjusted it yet, literally just bolted it on. So give us some time, show you how it looks when it's all finished. Yep. 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 Watch the Jeep. Difference. Hmm?
Tell me you did GoPro footage yesterday.
No, I didn't.
I'll give you the footage that I have.
Broken door handle, bro. Jdm front ends installed. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, guys. We will be getting the front bumper and the front filler painted eventually. But do you guys think I should color match the hood? The hood does have a little crack in it, so that's why I was thinking about color matching it.